No one wants to say it, but I will. If you want cheaper stocks or cheaper properties, there has to be a crash in a recession. And one could hit as soon as 2026. Dude, the market's booming high. Everyone's rich, everyone's up, stock market is up, property is up, everything is up. Why would a crash come now? It doesn't make sense. Because that's exactly what people said in 2008, 1999, as well as 1989. Every crash starts when people believe it cannot happen again. But this time it's different. Unemployment rate is low, interest rate is also getting lower and lower, inflation is not too high, and technology is booming stronger than ever. That's what they all say at the top. You're only seeing the growth part of the cycle with easy credits, low rates, and speculations. Underneath, debts are record high, land prices are peaking, and central banks are tightening. When short-term rates rise above the long-term rates, that's called a yield curve inversion. That's the economy warning signal. And it's happened before every single major recession since 1960. Well, yeah, even if the crash happens, well, the Fed can always just print money and save the day like every single time. The market will always go up. Sure, they'll print money, that's right, but printing doesn't fix the problem. It delays. Ray Dalio says it the best, and he's the world's largest hedge fund founder. Every time we create more financial wealth than real wealth, it ends in a big debt crisis. People feel richer because their asset value goes up, not because real productivity goes higher. So are you telling me to not invest? No. I'm saying not to speculate too much. The people who build wealth through crashes do not chase hypes. They understand cycles. They buy when debt clears and prices reset. Because every 18 years, like clockwork, real estate and stocks, they reset themselves. When credit and debt dries up and resets and land cycle resets again, that's the opportunity when real wealth, real generational wealth is created. So you have two options. You can either be the person who follows the crowd and follows the news, or the investors who understand the pattern, who understand value investing and market cycles, who makes generational wealth for the whole family. Now here's for you. I do break down cycles and market timing in my free newsletter, link in bio. And comment down below. Do you think the next crash will be worse than 2008?